Today we are going to learn first chapter of geometry, that is the similarity. The title of the chapter is similarity. This chapter gives you 17 marks. This chapter gives you 17 marks. So in this chapter, the first part of the chapter or the first unit of the chapter or the first subunit of the chapter is properties of areas of two triangles. Properties of areas of two triangles. That is the first point of this chapter. So first I have these triangles. Triangle A, B, C, another triangle. Triangle P, Q, R, and this third triangle. Triangle X, Y, Z. Now, in this triangle, to find the area of the triangle means area or the space occupied by that geometrical figure. That means this portion. To find the area of triangle means area of this portion. And what is the formula for area of triangle? Formula is 1/2 base into height. What is that formula? 1/2 base into height. In this triangle, which side is base? Either the side BC is base, or side AB is base, or side AC is base. Some student says that only BC is the base of that triangle. We know that BC is the base of that triangle, but it is not only one of that BC is the base. AB is also base of that triangle. AC is also base of that triangle. So each triangle have three bases. BC is also base of the triangle. AB is also base of the triangle. AC is also base of the triangle. Similarly here also, QR is a base, ABQ is also base, PR is also base. Similarly here. But when we say that BC is the base of the triangle, what will be its corresponding height? Corresponding height. How we can calculate the height? How we can calculate the height? Which is the vertex opposite to side BC? A is the vertex opposite to the side BC. If we draw the perpendicular from the point A to the side BC, suppose this is the AB, then AB is the corresponding height of the triangle ABC with respect to the base BC. So, if you take the BC is the base, then what is the area of that triangle? 1/2 BC into height is AD. BC into AD. So, if AB is the base, see, only triangle has the three bases. If we take the AB as a base, this is base of the triangle. At that time, how we can find the height of the triangle with respect to the base AB, which is the vertex opposite to side AB, point C. So if you draw the perpendicular, from point C, if you draw the vertex perpendicular from the point C to the side AB, then CE also height of that triangle with respect to the base AB. If you take the base AB, then which is corresponding height? CE according to that figure. Similarly, if we take AC as the base, बेस म्हणजे जमिनीकडचा भाग असा नाही. If you take AC as a base, Then which is the vertex opposite to the AC? Point B. Then the perpendicular drawn from the point B to the side AC. So at that time BF is the height. So AC is the base and BF is the height. So at that time area of that triangle is 1 upon 2, base is AC and height is BF. So in this manner we can find the area of triangle ABC. If we take BC is the base, at that time AD is the height. AB is the base, at that time CE is the height. If we take AC is the base, then BF is the height. So for this triangle we can find the area. Now see the another triangle. Here in that triangle angle Q is, measure of angle Q is 90 degree. That means it is right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, if you take QR is the base, then which is the corresponding height? PQ. That means 1 upon 2 QR into PQ. If we take PQ is the base, then which is height? At that time QR is the height. If we take the PR is the base, at that time the perpendicular drawn from the point Q to this perpendicular. If we say the point is N, then so what is the corresponding height of triangle APQR with respect to the base PR? QM is the height. So PR into QM, that is the area of that triangle PQR. So if the right angle triangle, then QR is the base, PQ is the height, PQ is the base and QR is the height. Now see this triangle, triangle XYZ. This angle is, its measure is greater than 180 degree. Whether this angle is greater than 180 degree? No. It is greater than 90 degree. That means this angle is which type of angle? Obtuse angle. So in this obtuse angle triangle, how we can calculate the height? Extend this base YZ, then perpendicular drawn from this point. If this is a point T, then which is the base? YZ is the base and XT is the height. At that time 1 upon 2 into YZ into XT. If the X point X is denoted by in this manner. Okay. Now if you take the XZ is the base, at that time perpendicular drawn from the point Y. PY. So what is the height of this triangle with respect to the base XZ? So XZ is the base, at that time this is the height YP. If we take the base XY base जर घेतला तर height कशी काढणार? Again extend that side and draw the perpendicular from the point Z. If this point is R, then ZR is the height and XY is the base. That means XY into ZR. So in this manner we can find the area of triangle. Now come to the main point of that chapter. These are the basic things you have to learn. Now the properties of areas of two triangles. So first part. What is that property? If we have the two triangles, suppose this is a triangle A, P, C and another triangle is triangle P, Q, R. Then what is that first one? We have to learn three properties. Among these three properties, see the first property. What is that first property? The area of ratio of two triangles. Ratio of what? Areas of two triangles. That is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. So this is the ratio of which? Area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR. And what is that property? The ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to. If we take the BC is the base, then which is its corresponding height? This is its height, say point D. And QR is the base, then corresponding height is PT. So the property is the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to. How much it is? It is again ratio of what? Product of. Product of what? Their bases and corresponding heights. Base of this triangle ABC is BC and corresponding height is AD. Similarly, in this triangle PQR, which is base? QR and height is PT. So this is the first property of areas of two triangles. What is that property? The ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. These are the heights and these are the bases. These are the corresponding heights. So this is the first property. So let us write down that first property. First, write down the title of the chapter, similarity. After that, first point, properties of areas of two triangles. So write down these properties of areas of two triangles. So first property. So write down the first property. The property is, first property, the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to what? It is also equal to the ratio of, to the ratio of what? Product of what? Ratio of product of what? Their bases and corresponding heights. So this is the first property. So write down this. The ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases, and instead of and corresponding heights. What is product of what? Their bases and corresponding heights. So this is the property. Now we have to write the proof of this property. So write down this property first. ब्लैक बोर्ड ग्रीन बोर्ड छोटा होने से आप ये प्रॉपर्टी इरेज कर देंगे. So let us erase that property and then we have to write the proof of that property. So everybody got the property? What is that property? The ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. Now we have to prove that property. To prove this property, we take the two triangles. Again same triangle. Same. This is triangle ABC. the height of that triangle, AD, another triangle, triangle may be congruent, may not be congruent. This triangle is triangle PQR, and this is their height PT. We are going to prove that property. So for that purpose we have taken these two triangles. So let it of the given things. Given we have this triangle, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AD is perpendicular to BC and PT is perpendicular to QR. These are the given things. Then to prove, what will I have to prove? The ratio of areas of these two triangles. That means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and height. Base is BC into height is AD. Similarly, base is QR and height is PT. So this will have to prove. Very simple. Proof. We know the formula for area of triangle. So area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height. Which is base? Base is BC and height is AD. Formula. Okay. For another triangle, area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 upon 2 base is QR and height is PT. Same thing, formula. If you take the ratio of these two, statement number 1 and 2, that means this we can write dividing this by this one. That means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, in the numerator 1 upon 2 BC into AD, in the denominator 1 upon 2 QR into PT. From 1 and 2. Now in the numerator and denominator 1 upon 2 get cancelled and we get area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 upon 2 get cancelled and we get BC into AD upon QR into PT. So that is the required result. So this is the first property. What is that first property? The ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. AD and PT are the corresponding heights. So write down these things. We have written the property, that statement. After that, draw this figure in this manner. Write down this one. Given to prove, given in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AD is perpendicular to BC, PT is perpendicular to QR. To prove, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD upon QR into PT. Then proof, area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height, that means BC into AD formula. Similarly, area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 upon 2 QR into PT. So then taking the ratio, so we get the required result. So we got the first property, that is the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. Okay. So we got that property. So I am going to erase that things. Okay. So what it? If instead of triangle ABC, triangle PQR, if we say that triangle 1, triangle 2, then we can write this as area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. So instead of writing that that method, we can write this in this way also. Area of triangle 1 is equal upon area of triangle 2 is equal to B1 upon B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Where B1 and H1 are base and height of the first triangle, base and height of the second triangle. Okay? So everybody got that? So write down this also. Area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. So how we can use this in the problem? Suppose we have the two triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, the base is given 6 centimeter, height is given 3 centimeter. Here the base is 5 centimeter, height is 2 centimeter. And then say find out the ratio of their areas. So just writing this one, that, or we can say that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, substitute the values. Here base is 6, height is 3. Base of the another triangle is 5, height is 2. Simplify. 2 1s are, 2 3s are. So 3 3s are 9, 9 upon 5. So that ratio is 9:5. So this is the ratio of areas of these triangles according to given information. So in this manner, we can solve the problem using that property. So everybody got that property? Now see the second property. Suppose we have the two triangles. We have the two triangles having same height. One triangle, triangle ABC, and another triangle, triangle PQR. This is the height. Suppose the height of this triangle and height of this triangle is same. So height of these two triangles is same. We know that area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Now here in these two triangles, their heights are same. These H1 and H2 are same, they are equal. Since H1 and H2 are equal, that if suppose this is 3, this is also 3, that means they get cancelled, H1 and H2. And what will be the remaining things? Area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is equal to B1 upon B2. That means if the heights of the two triangles are equal or same, then the ratio of their areas are proportional to the corresponding bases. Then the ratio of areas of these two triangles are corresponding to the bases, are proportional to their bases. So write down the second property. We have written the first property. Write down that second property. See the page number 2. Write down that property. The ratio of areas of two triangles with equal height. Height is proportional to or equal to their corresponding bases. Write down that. Write down that the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal height is proportional to their corresponding bases. Or instead of this, we can write also this is equal to height is with equal height is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. Same thing. That means area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is equal to B1 upon B2. If heights are same, H1 is equal to H2. If H1 is equal to H2, then area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is equal to B1 upon B2. Triangles having equal height or same height. Okay, let us see this figure. I have this triangle. There is another triangle. In these two triangles, if you draw the perpendicular, suppose this is perpendicular, AD. So how many triangles are there? There are 3 triangles. Which one is? First triangle is this triangle A, B, D. If BC, here 3 points. E point, here we have taken E point. D point is already there. Here triangle ABD. In this triangle ABD, which is height? A is the height, BD is the base. Another triangle. Triangle A, B, C. This larger triangle. Again for that triangle, this is the base, A is the height. Again there is a third triangle, this triangle, A, D, C. In this triangle, if DC is the base, which is its corresponding height? A. That means all the 3 triangles. Which 3 triangles? Triangle ABD, triangle ADC, and triangle ABC. All these 3 triangles have same height, equal height. So what will be their areas are proportional? Therefore their areas are proportional to the corresponding bases. That means area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle, that smaller triangle is ABC, is equal to height same, therefore bases. Base of this triangle is BD and base of this triangle is DC. Similarly, area of triangle ABD and that larger triangle, triangle ABC. Base is BD for that triangle ABD and base is BC for the triangle ABC. So in this manner, we can write the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases if their heights are equal. So write down this thing. We have written that property. Second property, this is second property. The ratio of areas of two triangles with equal height is equal to the equal height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. So everybody got this property. Now see the third property. Instead of height is same, if the base is same, if B1 is equal to B2, then their areas are proportional to the corresponding heights. But what will be the third property then? The ratio of areas of two triangles with equal bases or equal base is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Write down that third property. The ratio, write down third property, the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. The ratio of areas of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. That means area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is equal to h1 upon h2 if b1 is equal to b2. That means their bases are same. Okay. So everybody got this? And now see this figure. I have this figure. In this figure, how many triangles are there? There are two triangles. One triangle is triangle ABC and another triangle is triangle BBC. One triangle is triangle ABC, this one. This triangle is triangle ABC. In this triangle, if BC is the base, then this one is height. Similarly, in this triangle, if BC is again base, then this one is height. So, these two triangles have equal bases or same base. Therefore, their areas are proportional to the corresponding heights. Therefore, area of triangle ABC, this you can write, therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BDC is equal to their corresponding heights is AB upon CD. So this will be the third property. Area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is equal to h1 upon h2. So these are the third property of ratio of areas of two triangles. So how many properties are there? There are three properties in this chapter. Starting point is properties of areas of two triangles. First property, the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. Second property, the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. And third property, the ratio of areas of two triangles with same base or equal base is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. So these are the three properties of the areas of two triangles. So here we will stop now. We will see the next concept on next period.